Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my messy desk. As some of you know, I made this journal last week. It's made out of book pages, and I just wanted to show that you don't have to have everything that you really want because you know you want it, but you don't have to. Just start. Um, Old books are very common in the charity shops, and I think most of the books I have I paid 50 pence or something like that, maybe a pound. So that's a really good way to start. Copy paper, dye it with tea or coffee to make it look old and used. But yeah, just start. It may not be what you really want, what you watched on YouTube and all the amazingly beautiful journals they're making. I know I didn't have all that, and I couldn't wait until I could gather all the stuff I thought I needed. Turns out I don't need it. So this is just book pages and an old, and not an old, but the cover is a paperback, and I'm keeping this big pocket, so this is just a closure for it, a little notebook just made out of a circle, and then I just rip the pages to fit the cover on this, and held together with staples, so nothing fancy, but it's just a bit different. So I put this here because it's a very big pocket and stuff may fall out if you don't have a closure for it. So this is one of my big paper clips that I've just decorated. I think I have a tutorial for that. I'll put it up there if I have. I think I have. There we go. I have a box of things that I've made in my videos and things that I've experimented with, and some good stuff and some bad stuff, but I've kept it all in here. So I decided that I want to bring that down a bit, so I'm gonna use it in my journal. And if I have a tutorial for it, I'll link that. Just click on the I think it's an eye, isn't it, up in the corner. It won't take you to the video immediately. It'll just put you in a queue, so when you're finished watching this video, the link you clicked on will come up next, and you can click on all of them if you want, and they'll just play. They'll just make a playlist so you can watch all of them if you got time. Front page I have changed a little bit because, as you know, I had and I still have this pocket. Did some, I have some homemade stamps, these that are made, lino cuts. So I think it's this one I put just stamped there. Made it look much better. I also found this one in my stash. That's just a little book. So I've used that as a journal topper. But every page in the book is actually a pocket. So that's a cute little thing. And here I made a belly band and a little pocket here. Still got the pockets here, the bigger one and a smaller one. Put lace on here, and obviously napkins, or one napkin on the back and napkin on the front. This one, another thing I found in my stash, just a tuck spot and a pocket. There's a little pocket there. Very easy one, I can just show you. This, you just fold this up. You can actually fold the corner down first if you want it to be completely square. So just fold the corner down first and then cut the excess off. If you have one-sided scrapbooking paper or scrapbook paper, you can keep this. If you just have a white space here, keep this as extra writing space, or in this case I glued it, so you can just glue it down. There we go. This one is actually, well, it's pockets, a little pocket book, but it's also working as a bookmark, so it can be moved from page to page. It's also pockets in here. Got 4 pockets, and got pockets on the back too. So lots more space for your journal. And a bit different bookmark. This one was the junk mail envelope that I put in, and I cut it open completely. I put a napkin on the front. I put book page on the inside. I'm probably going to make a pocket of some sorts here. Maybe one here, I don't know yet. Thing is, you can, if you have ideas, you can of course go ahead and put it in your journal, but my personal journals, I tend to keep a few pages clean, if I can say it like that. So as I work my way through, I decorate or come up with other ideas. So I always got a free page that I can put something on. Here again, just napkin, and this is another one of my tutorials. flip down. Lots of writing space here. And you can of course put a big journaling card or something at the back there. And here, if you can see that, there's a nice big pocket here. And I have a tutorial for that as well. Excuse me. Another tuxedo pocket. 3 pockets, 1, 2, 3, and a tuck spot. Here is a flip out pocket. I think I have a journaling card. I do have a big journaling card here. That lives inside this pocket there. Washi tape, homemade. I have a video for that as well. It's just painter's tape. You know, the sort when you paint at home, and you can get it in white. I think I've seen it in blue, but I prefer the white, so you can use watercolors, and trust me, the glue at the back will still work even if you soak it in water. I use this piece of plastic, and this is the one I made recently, and as you can see, there's a good amount of glue still on it. So that's fun to make, I promise you. You won't just make one strip, you will make a lot. And you don't have to use watercolors, you can use pencils, not watercolor pencils, but yeah, you can use those regular colored pencils. You can use markers, you can use whatever paint you have, or just make some marks with a black pen or blue pen or whatever you have. So very easy to make and very fun if you have the paint for it. Here is another pocket. This is made out of a very big book page. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I think I have a tutorial for it. I'll see if I can find it and show you how it's made. But basically it was a very, very tall page, so I just folded it up, and there's a pocket here, there's a pocket behind, there's a pocket here, a very deep one, and I put it on so it's actually a very wide belly band, so you can hide something back there. Another one, incredibly easy. Oops. Just a book page. This one actually fit the height of the page here. So it's book page, and I just glued napkin on. I put glue on the book page, but I didn't put it right to the edge, so I just ripped the napkin off afterwards. So yeah, just glue top, bottom. I glued in the middle of the book page as well. So here you have pockets on each side of the page. That's very simple. Anyone can do that. Another flip out pocket. Another one I had in my stash. And I think that's it. Yeah. That's it for me today. I just wanted to show you that, and because, as I told you last week, I am on holiday this week, just at home chilling, but I just wanted something easy today, if you know what I mean. I'll link the tutorials I have up there or down there, so you can follow those after you've watched this video. That's it for me today. I hope you have a fabulous week until next time, and I'll see you again next week, hopefully. Be there. Bye.